good morning or good day, whatever the time it is at your place. Welcome to another MacLogo video, and I'm out here flying my favorite 3.5-inch quad. This is the Lil Matey by PiratFrames, and it has some updates to fit the O4. There are TPU parts that are maybe limited to 17 degrees, but so far that works. That's the max uptilt that you can get, but to be honest, for me that's awesome. I'm used to flying 20 or 25, maybe even 30 degrees, but it also works here. This is a large field, so you rather need more uptilt, and of course for some that will not be sufficient, but for those who want to try it, I would go ahead and try it, because O4, oh boy, it's just amazing. The picture's crisp. The footage that I have to check afterwards will, I guess, be amazing, but just in the goggles you can really see the scraggle and also branches and stuff. It's another level, to be honest. But what is really cool, and that's what I want to point out, is it's also an upgrade for this Lil Matey, because this is actually rather a light but sturdy and very good protected frame, very well designed by Lipo. Really awesome. And with the O4 unit you have the benefit of it, I think, shaving off maybe 8 to 10 grams. If you had an O3 before, I had the Moonlight inside before, that's even more, so it's maybe 14 or 16 grams that it's lighter. And I can feel that in the flight time. That's the great thing. With the motors, I always thought these are very power hungry, but with this you just fly between, let's say, between 32 to 60% throttle, and that's enough for most of the stuff. And if you need it, then you really have a lot of overhead, a lot of power. But it's a huge upgrade, because it flies well, it handles well. Lovely little quad. So yeah, it's lots of fun. I'm enjoying O4 Pro so far. Awesome. Also the field of view is for me that's awesome. I like a large field of view. Don't like the O4, the light version, so much, but with 117 degrees field of view. But even so, that's narrow. I also enjoy that because it's just an awesome picture quality, and it's a step up. So yeah, check out the flight and check out also the battery time. I think I'll try to put in just a full flight, so you can see how long I'm flying with this 720 HV pack. With a 270 something grams. I will post a picture that you can see that. And yeah, really amazing quads, really good stuff. Have a great weekend and take care. Bye bye.